But I think one thing that we discussed and we agreed to start is one thing on some concerns on your side as let's say a product developer, let's say, or a new product on the market that you want to put. You want to understand some challenge, let's say from our side, like me and Ben Ur as well, that we are inside companies, and what kind of challenge do you have? Do you have specific questions around this, or can you start describing some things like this?
Yeah, I think so. So I think a lot of founders that listen to the podcast and specifically in cybersecurity would love to learn how you work. Specifically, it's really hard to reach your kind of people because you're getting spammed, I think, at least 30 messages a day from vendors. A lot of them were kind of like are looking for feedback, which is great, but you don't have the capacity. I'm getting the same as a CEO from other vendors. So I think it might be a good opportunity to kind of describe, first of all, how do you guys manage your application security program as a whole, right? How do you work with your executives? And kind of this balance of how you define a security program and how you execute it and how you affect your C-level and your basic challenges today, right? Because there are tons and we don't have enough time, but just kind of to elaborate, what are you guys doing today? What keeps you awake at night? What are you kind of running in your program today?
That's good. Benur, do you want to start this? Benur, you can also tell us the company that you work and so on. So I think it will be good for the audience to know about Mercado Livre that I know, but it's important for the audience.
Yeah. I am application security leader here at Mercado Libre. It's one of the greatest e-commerce and banking companies in Brazil and South America, principally. Here in Brazil, we are the top one seller in the part of e-commerce. And as a big company with 16,000 people in IT and development, we separate cybersecurity in different sections. Okay, what's my section? For example, I am responsible for securing the code, everything that's writing code, not infrastructure, not cloud security, not Kubernetes or everything else, just what's is in the code. And I started to talk about it because we need to limit it. What's the balance of what you are managing, the application security or cybersecurity in which area? And we have a bunch of things, but I like to put 5 things in the first place. First, education, cybersecurity education. This is the main topic because we are talking about developers and they are writing code, they installing libraries and other bunch of things like that. So we need to secure the code from the knowledge of the target of all the threads that we could have in code. First, this knowledge should be shared. The second is, what can we scale with technology? SAST, SCA, secret scanning, DAST, etc. Something that we can attack the bunch of applications without need manually reviewing all the things because we can scale with that. We are 1 to 100. We have more than 100 people in application security, but for more than 10,000 people in development, it's really impossible to do the things manually. After that, we need specialized capacities for difficult things. So threat modeling, pen testing, securing code, and architecture review. So this is the 5 things that's the most important right now in the context of application security. First, developers, acknowledgement. Second, automation in every place that we can scale, and then specialized things like threat modeling, pen testing.
E aí, gostou desse corte? Então segue, continua, que tem muito mais.